best standards of education. Welcome on our channel Chemistry Come again. Now it's a platform for you to learn with new tricks, new methods of studies. Now we are going to start in our small town Ladhuka Mandi. It's near about Fazilka districts. This is not a very well known for the people who are staying and that on way on like Chandigarh and so on. So it's not a that much city, but I'm sure one day this country, this city will be proud of our effort or our creative ideas. So I hope students will get also take some advantages of our Apex and tutorials. So according to me, I want to say that the mentality of students now are going to be changed, because I feel really I feel great pleasure here to welcome you to chemistry with Karam. I feel privileged to let the students succeed students on exciting and vibrant Apex institutes, which offers great opportunity for young people, those who are very experienced and very intelligent students who are try to go for NEET and try to go for some other higher educations and well educations. We are going to be deeply and we go by the roots of the concept and build our trade like education. So from the name of our Impact Institutes, so you know what do we mean, what is the meaning of Apex? It's Apex, that means that we are at the peak. Now our level is here, and now we are day by day moving at that point which are we want to be, which is actually our aim, or we can say that our goal. So it's our goal to make each and every students to succeed in their life at Apex. We are proud of our caring and inclusive ethos, and where we set a high standards and expectations for our students to achieve and become, and they have very best. We keep our classes as soon as I told you before, where you can feel relaxed and comfortable, and you will get opportunity to talk with your teacher and to make a friendly nature, not a friendly but that environment which would be like it's like discussion method, like we can say that it's inclusive method, discussion method, and that's way that students feel relaxed and comfort to ask questions from their teacher. So this opportunity, definitely this opportunity will benefit you, your students, your those parents. It's request to those parents who are don't know about this Apex Institutes, because it's our coding is already there, but now it's time to advertise, and some people get to know about our academy. They can come and visit. It's for 3 days. First 3 days they can take demo classes, and after that according to their choice, if they feel good at this Apex Institutes, then they are most welcome. And so at last, from all our staff, we are provide opportunities and to make students better and better to succeed their life. And one thing more I want to here explore to that, we are also going to take classes of ETT cater. So those students who are weak in science and they want to be learn in the ETT course, they can